Hey guys, today we're gonna try to do an unboxing on the Blitzwolf Selfie Stick. I heard a lot about this and it wasn't that expensive. I think I paid like, I don't know, $29, and it's the Blitzwolf brand. And I heard it's one of the best selfie sticks, so I'm gonna unbox it and check it out and see how it works. It says that it has a wireless remote control, just so you guys can see. It says aluminum, lithium polymer battery, a tripod, 360 rotation, and a phone holder. I did get the phone holder separately, so I don't think it's gonna be inside this one. I have one that I already received. The BWBS5, I think there's 4 models, and I chose the biggest one. I guess I chose, and this is a black color. Let's go ahead and unbox it and see how it looks inside. Now there's a bunch of selfie sticks out in the market, but I felt like the reviews that I read on this one was among the best ones. Let's see if I can open this side up. So this is just let's see, is that it? Yeah, that was pretty much it. Yeah. There's something in the back. Let's open this side up. Feels like it's some kind of really stuck in there. There we go. So it's very small. It feels like very tiny. Okay, I'll put this on the side here for now, and here we have something small box, and let's go ahead and open the box. And it seems like it's some kind of adapter. I think I have no idea what this is. Oh, this is a GoPro adapter. Yes, this is a GoPro adapter. Great. Let's see how it looks. It's black. It's all plastic. This is metal or aluminum. No, this is aluminum as well. Yeah, it's aluminum. You open it like this. You can rotate it like this. It's very tiny. I really like this. So let's see, how does this work? It's a tripod as well. Yeah, that's it. But the tripod, I feel like, is not really great. Push. Oh, okay. So you push it up, and then you have the tripod here. This is very simple, but super elegant and super useful. And I guess you can change this to, let's open this up. And then basically mount anything you want here. And I really like that as well. This is amazing. This is really nice. Yeah, actually I have something better than this one here. So I'm gonna go ahead and try those on. These are the 2 ones I got. I bought recently the Selfie and these 2 came with it. So I'm gonna try these. I think this will be even better than, yeah, this one is even better than that, I think. Yeah, there we go. Wow, so nice. So really nice. Very easy to use. Oh wow, it has a telescope. Oof. Look at this, the length of this. This is amazing. So easy. It's aluminum, really good quality aluminum, and very simple to open. Has a, yeah, very nice. And I really like the telescope version, the tripod. Plus the telescope makes it really nice. Then we have some kind of a remote control. I'm not sure if I will ever use this, but let's check out how it works. Feels like you can take it out. Yeah, you can take out the whole thing. There's a tape there. I'm gonna remove this. And not sure how this one works. Oh, you charge it. There's a charging port here. That's kind of smart. That's really smart. And what I understand with this, you can take a picture, or yeah, with your phone. This is really nice. It's a very easily small handheld device. Really nice. There is no instructions on this, how to use it, and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and go on their website and see exactly how you use this. But well, the tripod and the rest is quite simple to use. Anyways, so here is the Wolf Blitz Selfie Stick. Few things that are great with this is that it has the telescope version, so you can just go ahead and pull it out. It's easy to film with it like that. It has a tripod, which is amazing, so you can just pull it out a little bit, put it on anywhere, and there, boom, you have a tripod. And that is amazing if you want to take shots and stuff like that. You also have the option of removing this and using it if you want to take a picture of anyone or film anything when you're not really close to the camera. So this is really an amazing thing. So for that reason, and the quality is overall really good. This is all aluminum. This is plastic, but very tough plastic, very strong plastic. It almost has a metally feeling to it. This, I'm not sure if I really like this, although it has this you can twist and turn. It's up to you guys. I believe I will use this more. So guys, I looked through the packaging and I found actually the cable for the charging this and some instructions. So this is the user manual for the Wolf Blitz. This is the Wolf Blitz remote control, and this is the charger, so you just charge it. So it did come with the manual. I do apologize if I didn't find it first in the package, but it was somewhere in the middle of the package. So anyways, this is my unboxing of it, and I will do a review on this later on. Great, thank you guys.